Welcome, health enthusiasts, to another exciting journey into the world of nutrition and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the lush green realm of cabbage, uncovering its remarkable detoxifying powers that make it the ultimate hero for your body. But first, why detoxification? Well, detoxification is like hitting the reset button for your body. In our modern world, we're bombarded with pollutants, processed foods, and stressors that can bog down our systems. That's where cabbage steps in as your trusty sidekick, ready to cleanse and rejuvenate. Throughout this video, we'll explore how cabbage supports your body's natural detox processes, from its nutrient-packed profile to its role in promoting liver health and aiding digestion. Plus, we'll share some mouth-watering recipes and practical tips for seamlessly integrating cabbage into your daily routine. So, get ready to supercharge your health with cabbage, the ultimate detox hero for your body. Let's dive in. Cabbage has rightfully earned its title as a detox hero due to its remarkable ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes. One key reason for this is its high fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps to sweep toxins out of the body. Additionally, cabbage contains compounds like glucosinolates and sulfur compounds, which have been shown to enhance detox enzyme activity in the liver, the body's primary detox organ. These compounds work synergistically to neutralize and eliminate harmful substances, making cabbage a potent ally in cleansing and rejuvenating the body. Beyond its detoxifying prowess, cabbage boasts a rich nutritional profile that further contributes to its health-promoting properties. Packed with vitamin C, K, folate, and B6, as well as minerals like manganese and potassium, cabbage provides essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Moreover, cabbage is abundant in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. By nourishing the body with these vital nutrients, cabbage helps to fortify the immune system and promote optimal functioning of various bodily processes. One of the standout features of cabbage is its wealth of specific compounds that have been studied for their detoxifying effects. Glucosinolates, for example, are sulfur-containing compounds found abundantly in cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, and kale. When broken down during digestion, glucosinolates produce bioactive compounds like isothiocyanates, which have been shown to enhance detoxification pathways in the body. Similarly, sulfur compounds found in cabbage, such as sulforaphane, have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that support detoxification and promote cellular health. By harnessing the power of these unique compounds, cabbage delivers a targeted boost to the body's detoxification mechanisms, helping to rid it of harmful toxins and promote optimal health and vitality. Cabbage serves as a formidable ally in supporting the body's natural detoxification processes through various mechanisms. Firstly, its rich array of phytonutrients and antioxidants work synergistically to neutralize harmful toxins and free radicals circulating in the body. These compounds help to minimize oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby reducing the burden on the body's detox organs and promoting overall well-being. Additionally, cabbage contains significant amounts of water, which aids in hydration and helps flush toxins out of the body through urine and sweat. Moreover, cabbage's high fiber content is instrumental in supporting digestive health and facilitating toxin elimination. Fiber acts as a natural broom, sweeping through the digestive tract and carrying waste and toxins along with it. This promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, ensuring that toxins are promptly expelled from the body. Additionally, cabbage contains a type of fiber called insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps regulate bowel movements. By keeping the digestive system healthy and regular, cabbage aids in the efficient elimination of toxins, promoting overall detoxification and optimal health. Incorporating cabbage into your daily meals can be a simple and effective way to enhance your detox routine. One practical tip is to include cabbage as a staple ingredient in your stir-fries, soups, and stews. Its crunchy texture and mild flavor make it a versatile addition to a wide range of dishes, allowing you to enjoy its detoxifying benefits without sacrificing taste or variety. Additionally, you can use cabbage leaves as a nutritious and low-calorie alternative to traditional wraps or taco shells, filling them with lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy sauces for a satisfying and detox-friendly meal. To keep things interesting, think outside the box and get creative with how you incorporate cabbage into your diet. Try making homemade cabbage kimchi or sauerkraut for a probiotic-rich condiment that supports gut health and digestion. You can also experiment with roasting or grilling cabbage wedges for a caramelized and savory side dish that pairs well with a variety of proteins and grains. For a fun and flavorful twist, consider shredding cabbage and mixing it into homemade coleslaw or slaws for added crunch and freshness. The key is to embrace cabbage as a versatile ingredient that can elevate any dish with its unique texture and taste. Cabbage stands out as a sustainable food option with numerous environmental benefits. Unlike some other vegetables that require extensive resources like water and land for cultivation, cabbage is relatively low maintenance and can thrive in a variety of climates and soil conditions. Its hardy nature means it requires minimal pesticides and fertilizers, reducing chemical runoff and environmental impact. Additionally, cabbage has a relatively short growing season, which means it can be locally sourced and reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation. By choosing cabbage, individuals can contribute to sustainability efforts by supporting more eco-friendly agricultural practices. Moreover, cabbage's affordability makes it an attractive option for individuals looking to maintain a healthy diet on a budget. Compared to some other superfoods or specialty vegetables, cabbage is widely available year-round and typically comes at a lower price point. This accessibility makes it possible for individuals from all socioeconomic backgrounds to incorporate cabbage into their meals regularly without breaking the bank. Whether purchased fresh, frozen, or canned, cabbage offers a cost-effective way to add essential nutrients and fiber to one's diet, making it a staple ingredient in budget-friendly meal planning. In addition to being environmentally friendly and budget-friendly, cabbage offers the added bonus of minimal waste when utilized in its entirety. Every part of the cabbage, from its leaves and stems to its core, can be used in cooking, reducing food waste and maximizing its nutritional value. Leftover cabbage leaves can be repurposed in soups, stews, or stir-fries, while the stems and cores can be pickled or fermented to create tasty and nutritious condiments like sauerkraut or kimchi. By embracing a nose-to-tail approach to cabbage consumption, individuals can minimize waste, stretch their food dollars further, and enjoy the full spectrum of flavors and nutrients that cabbage has to offer. In conclusion, cabbage emerges as the ultimate detox hero for your body, offering a myriad of benefits that support your overall health and well-being. Throughout this video, we've explored the remarkable detoxifying powers of cabbage, from its rich nutritional profile to its ability to promote liver health and aid digestion. We've delved into delicious and detoxifying cabbage recipes, showcasing how this humble vegetable can be transformed into mouth-watering meals that nourish and rejuvenate the body. As you embark on your detox journey, I encourage you to incorporate cabbage into your daily diet for enhanced detoxification and optimal health. Whether enjoyed raw in salads, cooked in stir-fries, or fermented in kimchi, cabbage offers endless possibilities for delicious and detoxifying meals that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. By harnessing the power of cabbage, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Together, let's nourish our bodies and thrive on the path to better health.